June 21 is Father's Day, the longest day of the year, and the one Sunday where your dad is legally required to pick the restaurant. Open with Father's Day. Celebrated on the third Sunday of June in the United States and over 75 countries. First observed in 1,910 inches Spokane, Washington, thanks to Sonora Smart Dodd, who wanted to honor her father, William Jackson Smart, a Civil War veteran who raised 6 children alone after his wife died in childbirth. Then National Smoothie Day, the annual endorsement of blending fruit, yogurt, and whatever is left in the freezer into something nutritious enough to justify the cleanup. And International Yoga Day, declared by the United Nations General Assembly in 2014 because the summer solstice is the longest day of the year and holds special significance in yoga traditions. Also today, Boxcart Bash Day, gravity-powered vehicle racing, minimal safety equipment, maximum joy, Canada's National Indigenous Peoples Day, and Go Skateboarding Day. Call your dad, blend a smoothie, and take one yoga breath before the skateboard. NationalToday.com has everything.